challenge. In 1 Corinthians 6, it says, surely you know that your body is a temple where the Spirit lives. The Spirit is in you and it's a gift from God. You are no longer your own, so use your body to honor God. There's a fitness challenge. It's called Get It In and Fit It In. On Tuesdays, beginning next Tuesday on the 14th at 6 o'clock, there's a free introductory, free. Did I say free? Free, it don't cost you nothing. Just show up on time though. Don't come at 7. That will be a whole workout. So our very own Lauren Collins is going to be, she's recently received her certification as a fitness instructor. And for all of us who ate way too much sweet potato pie, and all of them Christmas cookies, and the macaroni and cheese, and the ham, and the yams, and the biscuits, and the waffles, and the chicken, and all that stuff that y'all know y'all was not supposed to be having. Okay, yeah. Show up on next Tuesday. What is it? Next Tuesday at 6 o'clock. Wear your sweatpants, sneakers, and be prepared to sweat. Now, the class is not just for women. Men folk. So I at least got one. So if we could drag the brothers and loved by the Lord along with us at 6 o'clock next Tuesday before Bible study, boot camp. Amen? So that's the 14th. She says we need a week. Yeah, we need a week to get all of ourselves ready to get our stuff together. Now, if you're interested in signing up, see Lauren. She's got some information for you. She'll be in my office after church today, and she'll be there again on Tuesday. And so we look forward to seeing you at the Get It In, Fit It In 2014. Amen? Amen.